Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, but I'm back. And this makeup look was requested on my TikTok. Someone said I should do Tiffany Valentine from The Bride of Chucky. So this was requested by someone on TikTok. So just remember, I do not have any of this stuff at home. I'm doing this with what I have in my closet. I've already glued down my eyebrows. I put in my blue contacts because she has very blue eyes. And I put an orange pencil over my eyebrows. So now I'm going to go in with my Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer. Crazy thing is, I think I'm almost out of concealer. Now I'm gonna go in with my full coverage from MAC foundation. Because she's a doll. So I put my base all over. Now I'm gonna go in with my Jeffree Star Magic Star powder. I'm using white. And I want to really get in that, where that brow is too. And I want under. For right now, I want it under my eye. So we just let it sit. My nose and my eye. Okay. There we go. So I'm using one size. It's tricky. There we go. Go in with Jeffree Star's Cremated Palette, because you'll see why. All cremated colors. I'm going to use the hearse. So what I'm doing is I want it to be as dark as possible. So I'm patching. And because she has black under her eyes too, it really doesn't matter if you get it under your eye. You know what's funny is I've always loved Jennifer Tilly, so me recreating this character she's created is exciting. I've always loved the Chucky franchise since I was a kid. And you know, as an adult, it became stupid and funny, like with Bride of Chucky and stuff like that. So because she has red up in here, I'm going in with Jeffree Star's Jawbreaker, and I'm going to use that red up there. It's called Licorice. And I'm going to take a different brush, and I'm going to go in. So remember, with her look, her eyeshadow comes around the eye. So you want to get it really good. Because when I put the black underneath, it'll look amazing. I like Jeffree Star's makeup because it can do a lot. Want to get in. Yes, I said we don't mind sunblock getting places, but we don't want it all in places it's not gonna work. So now what you do is you go in and you get some of that black and that red. See that? Get some of that. Blend it. Death Blow. So I put Death Bow. You want it like this, the white. Now I'm gonna go in with that red brush. I'm not putting any red on it, but that's how you blend. See that? So I got my eyes where I wanted them right now, so I'm gonna work on my cheeks. So I'm taking that red, and I'm just going in with this kind of brush. This brush came from Morphe, but you can find them anywhere. Now that I got the red, I'm gonna go in with the black with the same brush. Just let it sit. Now I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. One size point eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. Now we're gonna use Jeffree Star's Weirdo. So because this is a velour lip, it dries fast. So you gotta make sure you have it where you want it. camera. I'm going to put on my lashes and then we'll reveal the whole look. So stick tuned. Stay tuned. So here's the whole look. I think I did good for throwing something together. I wish the wig was a little bit brighter, but blonder. I was going to use a different wig, but I was like, this will work. Just need a cigarette. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you click subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you again here. Happy Halloween!